everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to come up with a new topic, that is RSI divergence. Basically this RSI divergence will work best for the swing trading. Okay, if you are a long-term investor, there is no need to look for these things, but while investing, taking an order, you need to take some rules. This RSI divergence also you can look, or at best levels you can place an buy order for long-term investments as well. So as per SEBI regulations, we should not show the stocks here, but there are some very good example for RSI divergence. That's why I picked one of the chart here. Okay, so this is the indicator RSI. Basically, if you go to trading view, you'll be getting an indicator. This one, relative strength index. Okay, so if you can see these the candle patterns here, I marked it as an line here. Here you can observe that the lower wicks, right? So the lower wicks are you can consider the closing prices as well. It is going in the upward direction, but from here you can see it is going in an upward direction for this candle. Yeah. So, but since it is going upward direction also, but the RSI levels are almost the same here. It is a horizontal line. You can see it here. Yeah, up to here. So from this point, what happened? Sorry, from this point, you can see that this candle still it is going up, but there is a divergence here. Okay, I will delete this line for better understanding. So from here there is a divergence, but still the stock is almost the upward direction. Okay, so this is what's called the divergence. But unless until if we have a clear cut divergence, we should not exit the stock or sell the stocks. Okay. So here I don't take any decision because still it is almost it is not a clear cut divergence here. Okay, but see, you can see the stock has come down to some extent. Anyhow, this is divergence is worked well from here. Anyhow, by panic, a lot of sellers will be sell at this price only, right? So you can see it here. Okay, this is what the perfect example for the divergence. Okay, again what happened? The stock has went up, and again from here you can see again there is a flat closing here, but we are getting a divergence downwards. Yeah, from this point I will mark it like this. Okay, so this is also a perfect example for divergence. You can book the profit or full profit or some partial profit also. That depends on your risk control for swing trading. The best strategy I will follow, I will book at least 50% of the profit. Then I will be waiting for this downward movement. If it is any divergence on the downside, maybe if this candle, if we get a divergence on the RSI level, but if any candles closes at the same level, then I will make an entry here. Let's wait for the oversold zone, then we can make an entry. So thank you, like, share and subscribe. Or if you have any doubts, you can comment out. I will clear the doubts. If any suggestions also, that will be fine for me. Thank you.